guys, Claire here. We just thought we'd do a quick video on waxing toes. We get some inquiries on how to do it, so I'm just going to do a little quick cleanse. Mainly on the toes, you'll find that the hair generally grows down. We've also got the bridge of the foot, and again it mainly grows down, but you've got to look at the hair direction of the client that you're working on, because sometimes they can go in different directions. So we're nice and easy with this one because all of the hair on the foot and the toes all goes down. We'll do a little botanical oil, just do a quick spritz, and then just with a nice folded tissue we'll get the excess oil off. So with the hair we want to raise it off the skin, and then we want to brush it down in the direction that it's going. By moving the hair around, it encourages the product that we've used on the area to seep into the follicle, so that it gets some softening and hydrating going in the hair follicle to allow this hair to come out nice and cleanly. So against the hair and with. And that's the preparation. Okay, so I've got my Opal Peelable and my hair's going down, so I'm just going to go with the hair as my first application, and as many presses of the wax that you can do before it sets. So no wax likes cold skin, so you've got to try and warm up the toes as much as possible. And once that has set, so I've got pressure coming from my finger under here and a pressure on the nail so that I can encourage that knuckle to be nice and taut, and then I'm just going to lift the edge and just very carefully roll back. So my support is here whilst I roll back with the wax. I've just got a couple of hairs here going in that direction, but that's all come off nice and cleanly. So these toes sit nicely together, so I'm just going to do a dual application. So I've got my Opal again. Let me just paint all that hair down and allow that to set. If the skin is quite cold, it's only going to take a moment to set. And same thing, so nice pressure from the thumb. Beautiful. That's all come off nicely. And then we've just got these last two on the end. So same thing, we've got our thumb and the finger underneath the toe so that we can just encourage that knuckle to bend, so we get that nice support of the skin. I've got enough just on that one for those couple there. Just give that a moment to set. Very, very quick, and that can come pretty much straight off. And roll your peelable back. I'm just going to get this little bit on the toe. I can just do an application on the bridge of the foot. I'm just rolling the peelable back. So nice taut pressure on the skin. Beautiful. One hair-free foot. Okay, so we're just going to try with the strip wax to clean the hair off the toes and the bridge of the foot. So same thing, we're just going to support the toe, and as thinly as possible I'm going to put our strip onto the toe. So I'm just going to maintain that support. I've got my little strips here. So that's nicely got all of the hair off. I'm just getting any remaining wax residue off, so that's come off beautifully. There we go. So the strip wax has also successfully got the hair beautifully out. Just going to do the bridge of the foot. Wonderful.